Hi, I'm Sheen, and this is another video from Honda Prelude. And as I said previously, today I wanted to polish a car. As you can see, I was already trying, but I didn't see any result. I'm not sure if this is the reason of this machine or this pass or this wax. Probably the wax and pads, but more wax, I'm not sure. I was trying different techniques, different styles, and I was polishing this rear bumper, even this. This trunk might looks better than in previous videos, but trust me, it's just because of that I cleaned this, because that was dirty, not because I did polish. And here also, I even, you see it, right? Yeah, I even damaged this, but as I said, probably I will, in the future painting of other parts, I will again remove this paint from here and paint it from the scratch. I'll just make a mark for not hole, but only this side, because this is a fresh paint, and next paint I want to do in the close future. So the paint should still be the same, but today, as you can see, I have already things for cables, and they will do the interior. So let's get to work. Alright, I already switched this cable, as you can see, but I connected it, but it's still not working. But I saw that here is also a one cable, a ground, and here is not, and maybe that's an issue. I don't have now here any cable, free cable, so I'll do it later. I will try to add this, and I will connect this like this one to the ground, to the body, and we'll see if this will work. But for now, I will just replace this switch motor from heater. Wait a minute. Okay, because I put this one incorrectly to the frame. This is it. Or wait, no? What the heck? Why I have other side? Don't tell me I have a heater from right-sided car. Yes. God damn it. Why me? But okay, I will just unscrew this and put on this frame. So give me a minute. Alright, and now I'll put this there. Okay, give me a second because I need to set this correctly. Alright, I mounted it already, but I also plug in cables. I put I will show you. As you can see, control working from power, but switch is still not working. And there are two possibilities. First, this motor is also broken. Second, I don't know. I'm starting to really give up with this car. With electricity in this car, I'm enough. And for today it will be all, because I don't want to work more today with this car. So thank you for watching. Bye.